Hi there, students. To weigh, or a noun, weight, or even a verb, to weight, or an adjective, weighty. So, to weigh. Well, I think this weight weighs half a kilo. And I think this weight weighs 200 grams. So, weight, the mass of something. To weigh, to measure the mass of something. So, we can say somebody carries great weight. It means they are very influential, they're important. His opinion carries great weight with the public. The public listen to him and they think he's important, or what he says is important. You could throw your weight around, to be bossy and unpleasantly assertive. Here your weight is your importance, your rank within a group or a society or a company or something like that. You could weigh up a situation, estimate what's happening, take all the data in. It's best to weigh up a situation before making a decision. And then we have this verb to weight down, to put weights on something. He's weighed down, he's weighted down by a massive mortgage. So he has a lot of money to pay. And you could have a weighting as well. This is an importance factor. So when making an important decision, some factors have a higher weighting than others. Yeah? Some factors have a higher weighting than others. They're more important, they're more significant. You give different weightings to different things. So, importance. Okay, this verb to weigh comes from Germanic origin, gewicht, or something like that, which is talking about weight. I think to weigh, this is a neutral verb. To weight, again, a neutral verb. And weight as a noun, neutral again. You can use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in the most formal of documents. Although I think the phrasal verbs to weigh up, to weigh down, or to weight down, these maybe are slightly less formal, and I would use them in an informal conversation or a semi-formal context, but maybe not in a very formal writing. Notice as well, to weigh is a regular verb. He weighed the vegetables, yeah? And to weight, he weighted the different factors. So, weight, the mass of something, or the importance of something, to carry great weight. To throw your weight around, to be bossive and unpleasantly assertive. To weight, or to weigh down, to put weights on, to keep down. Or as a weighting, to give more significance or less significance to certain factors in a situation. So there we go. To weigh, weight. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Weigh, weight, weighty, weighting.